Good morning, students. Yesterday we have completed alpha beta conformation. Okay. So today we will start pyranose structures of alpha D glucose. First of all, you listen the syllabus. What is the syllabus of the biomolecules and carbohydrates? In a classification, aldose and ketose will come, monosaccharides means glucose and fructose will come, and DL conjugation come. Okay, that's why I'm using this alpha D glucose. If this thing will come, then you can complete it. You can write it in your copy also. So that's why I'm teaching this alpha D glucose because it is come in the topic of DL conformation. So this is the pyranose. Okay, understood the pyranose? It is as a benzene, like a benzene. So now, when pyranose came, it means we have to make the product as a benzene formation. Okay, a normal structure is there. A normal structure have to change into this one structure. So let's see here. C O H H 1 2 3 4 5 C 6 C. Here H O H H O H O H H H O H H. Now this one is alone C. When a thing is alone, the C and the C is alone. In between what we have put O. Now when we have put O, what we will take from here? We will take from here H. So it will form here OH. Let's see this one. So HOH will come this side. Next is CH2OH. CH2OH. If we will see HOH, second one HOH we have taken. HOH, third one we have taken. Fourth one we have taken. Fifth one we are using like this. Okay, fifth one C as C O and C, this one we are putting O here on this one side. Let's see the second one. Same structure we are using. First of all, you see CH2OH we are putting here. From here we have taken CH2OH. With C we are using H here. That H we have put it. HOH, this one. Second one HOH, this one. HOH, this one. HOH, this one. Now here, from here till here, O is coming. So this O we will put here. Understood, students? So this is called as the alpha D glucose and this is said to be the beta D glucose. Understood? So these things have to write down in copy. After this, next is we are using here C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 C. Again the same structure formation. The benzene formation takes place like this, beta D glucose. Now a very important topic that is said to be the reducing and non-reducing sugar. Carbohydrates which can reduce Tollens reagent in failing solution are called reducing sugar. Now, carbohydrates, you know the carbohydrates in second word we can say a fat is coming, a starch is present in that one. So in this one for finding out the starch is present in rice or something is present, what is the reagent we are using? The reagent which we are using, that is the Tollens reagent of failing solution. Understood? Failing reagent we are also saying. So that is said to be the reducing sugar. While those which do not reduce these means those do not reduce the starch, do not reduce the other fats, that is said to be the non-reducing sugar. At that time also we are using here a Tollens reagent and failing solution. So example here, glucose, fructose, maltose, lactose are reducing sugar containing free aldehyde and ketone group. Now, in other words, we can say sucrose is a non-reducing sugar. In a one word, it is coming in your paper in a one mark question that tell the non-reducing sugar. So it is a sucrose. Now next is preparation of glucose, how the formation takes place. So today we will do till preparation of glucose. So first of all, let's see. Glucose occurs freely in nature as well as in combined state. Means it will in both the states as well, free as well as in combined. It is present in sweet fruits and honey. It is followed as follows. So now, first of all, the thing is coming how in which thing it is present. It is present in fruits and honey. What is glucose? So let's see here. From sucrose, what will happen? Cane sugar. If sucrose is boiled with dilute H2SO, HCl and H2SO4, in alcohol solution, glucose and fructose are obtained in equal amount. What will happen? Glucose react with the water. In the presence of the hydrogen, it form a glucose and fructose. From the starch, what we will use? From here, we are using starch. We have taken an amount of water. We are using here 393 Kelvin with 2-3 atmospheric pressure and form a glucose. Understood chemical properties we will do next time. Thank you students and have a nice day. And beta, please all these things write down in your copy. I don't want to say again and again. Okay. So I want to finish your syllabus as fast as possible. Then we will do the practicals and we will do the revision also. Thank you, students.